Welcome. In front of me is an LG K62 Plus, and today I'll show you how to put the device into safe mode. And to get started, hold the power key. Once you see the boot options, you want to hold power off. This will then bring up the safe mode boot. So from here it gives you a message that this will basically turn on safe mode. Let's just go through it right now. And in the safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will function, and every other application that you have downloaded and installed yourself will be disabled and won't be able to start. So you can troubleshoot your device in this mode. Now let's wait for it to fully turn on. And as you can see, we're now back in Android, and you can see safe mode watermark right at the bottom so you know that you are actually in the desired mode. And that is how you boot into it. Now once you're done and you want to leave this mode, all you need to do is hold power key, and this time around simply select power off and restart. And once the device is back on, it will be back in a normal mode. And as you can see, we're now back in normal mode. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.